Hey guys, welcome to Simpler Futures. Our video tonight will take us to the gold market. We'll look at the other metals along with it, but right now, what are we looking at? Notice the pattern is the market sets up, and as we go back into August here, look for patterns in the market. The market is a pattern market. I think that's one thing that we take a look at, and you can look to see what this market is doing. And it will have similar setups as we go along. One thing, you look for Fibonacci price retracements. Let's take from this high right up in here to this low and look for a 62% retracement and see where we went. Well, I did not do this ahead of time, guys. I just looked at it and saw this. 62% retracement right here. So now we've got a down move that has developed in here. What's our pattern? And it usually runs something like this: a sell-off to the downside, a rally, and then an equal distance move. Are we going to get an equal distance move that will take us here? Let me remove these drawings and get a Fibonacci price extension. Not time, pick Fibonacci extension. This is using Thinkorswim. So we go from this high down to this low and then back up to that corrective 62% correction, which is right here. Now what's an equal distance move? An equal distance will be equal, if I can get it to work, there we go, equal a distance equal to this high to this low. Now the Fibonacci price extension will give me that. It will measure it out at 100%. Here is 100% right here. It comes in at 1,020, what? 1,206.86. Where did we go? 1,211. Close enough. Now, do we still have a potential to come on down here? Yes, we do. Why? The pattern is still holding. Don't discount this pattern. If it reverses here, I need to see a momentum shift in here, and the way to go to see that is going to be a shorter term time frame. Let's use a 30-minute chart, and you can see how today we sold off and then we came back in here. I'll be watching it. Right now we're in a squeeze on a 30-minute chart. Let's see what we're doing off of some of the shorter term time frames. That's a 30 on a 5-minute. We are in a squeeze right now on a 5-minute, but it's to the downside. So are we going to go back down and test it? Yeah, look for your entries off of the short-term time frames, but look for your trend off of your longer-term time frame charts. We're still down. This may be a selling opportunity that we get here. It doesn't look very strong. We've got a momentum shift, and then we're getting into this squeeze, which means the market's going maybe a little bit weak right in here. But that's in after-hours trading. So let's take a look at a 1-minute just to see if it shows us anything, which it really doesn't. And I can zoom in on it and see, or zoom out. No, it really doesn't show me a whole lot. We're down at the bottom of the channel. I just have to watch it here. We were in a squeeze here. We fired off to the long side, and we still have a potential for good upside move in here. So let's take a look at it. Let's expand this back out. On a 1-minute, here's our momentum shift on the squeeze. We had the squeeze fire off, and then we did the reversal, which could be off of the bottom of the channel, could be a move up to 29 or so. That's not much. Watch it close. Also, don't forget you can use, let's say, Nugget. Look to see what the speculators are doing off of these in the these really high volume ETFs. Looks like we could be getting a little bit of support right down in here. It's this move. I like this candle. This is a daily chart. We see a sell-off. We open higher, close above the high of the previous. This could be a false breakout right here on the second bar back, and look to see if it follows through. Maybe back up to $16. Guys, good trading. See you in the next video. There's plenty of trading out there right now.